Okay, so we're live now. Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh, your ice cream? I hate it. Okay, so today we're going to be doing another science experiment, but at the end of this video, we're going to be doing a surprise part.
See, how to sit back so you can see your pretty face. Okay, good. Okay, so we're going to be making another science experiment with the same science kit that we used in the last video.
You'll have to introduce Snaen again.
Snaen, S-N-A-E-N, Discover Surprise Science Kit. Okay.
But we will send a link to our first YouTube video, which we made maybe a week ago, I'm thinking.
Almost a week, yeah.
I think but YouTube, when I looked earlier today, said we made it 1 day ago.
Oh, did you? Okay.
I think YouTube's wrong. But you don't have to. But we will send a link to that video so you can get introduced to Snaen again. Because I do not want to hear Mommy introducing Snaen in every single video. No offense.
Thank you, Holly. Okay, Holly, tell me what we're doing.
Okay, so we're doing making ice gems.
We're making ice gems, guys.
This is the picture of on the card.
Okay, come on, let's show
Okay.
Let's show them, babe.
Let's do this.
Okay, I'm gonna open up the salt for you.
Yeah. So that's the first part.
Wait, no, okay, give him one ice cube. Okay, here's your ice cube.
No.
Here you go, now. Here you go.
And
Okay.
he wants some salt.
Oh, okay. So
Okay, let's sprinkle.
yeah, sprinkle liberally. That means put a lot of salt on there. Get it on the ice. Don't go crazy how to get it on the ice. Okay. So the scientific principle. Okay, that's good. I think that's pretty good. Close it up and then give it to him. Close it up.
Okay.
So the scientific principle here is the salty ice quickly melts together, giving the ice the ability to pigmentation and color. That's what it says.
But next we have to pour the pigment.
That's right, sweetie. It's coming. Okay. Yeah. That's right. Good job. Busybody, stop it. Okay, let's not, you don't want to give away all that blue pigment. Okay, close it back up.
Yeah, I literally tried to give some pigment to every single ice cube.
Okay, no, that's good enough, honey. Okay.
Ooh, look what's happening.
Okay, so we're just supposed to let it melt. We're not gonna sit here.
Don't tell Mommy in the comments that I actually shaked the bowl.
Okay. But we're not gonna make you sit here and watch the ice melt. So Holly, are we ready for our surprise part of the video?
Yes, we are. Okay, that's enough. So, our surprise part is going to be introducing Chloe, which I might have showed you or told you about her. That's what I was going to say in the last video, but I don't know if I showed you her.
No, she was only off screen in the last video.
Okay, and we're going to introduce Daddy too.
Daddy's coming.
Yep. You might remember him from complaining in the last video. So let's get to the first part of our surprise part of the video, which is explaining what's going to happen in future videos.
That's right.
Noah, can you let our experiment work and not pour more salt?
Just keep going.
Okay. So, first, we are going to be not just making science videos, but other cool videos too. Like comedy and stuff like that. And second part of the surprise part is you're actually going to meet new family members in different videos.
Yes. Okay.
And we're going to be doing lots of traveling too.
Hallelujah. Let's introduce our next family member. Who's coming up next? Who is it? Holly. Who's
Drum
coming
roll,
next?
please. Chloe!
Chloe, come. Okay. Chloe, say hi, YouTube.
Hi. Chloe, say my name is Chloe. Chloe. Yes.
Right. Oh. Okay. Holly, tell them what they have to do to help our channel out. Tell them what they have to do.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part. So, what we want you to do, you'll hear this in 1,000 videos in almost every single YouTube video on the planet. You guys can probably guess what it is. So, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Beautiful. Okay, Holly, who's the next family member? Who's coming
Mommy,
on?
there's actually one more thing
Oh,
that I
sorry.
wanted to say. In the comments, I want you to tell us what we should do next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We want your input. Okay, Holly, introduce the next family member.
Okay, next family member. Drum roll, please. Daddy! Introducing Daddy!
What's up, YouTube? This is the Smart Fun Fam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And on that note, I'm going to leave you with my lovely family and enjoy.
That's right.
That's right. Okay, I guess, Holly, let's pause the video for now.
Okay, we will see you in the next. We're finally live again. 1 hour later. Oh, okay. So, guys, this is the second part of our video. And if you're wondering where Chloe, Noah, and Daddy is, Chloe and Noah is over there watching TV while Daddy's in the back bedroom.
Yeah, it's just chilling.
But someday we could give you a house tour.
One day.
So, if you're wondering what this is our earlier experiment.
Yeah. See, it's
So
completely melted.
So, I was not surprised.
No, it's blue and it's liquid, as we expected.
I actually did not expect that.
No.
I expected something outrageous to happen.
Yeah, I was hoping for something outrageous. But anyway, that's our second science experiment from the SNAN Discovery Science Kit.
Hey,
So-
Daddy, you know
Okay, here comes Chloe. So that's it for tonight. Remember, please, to like us, to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so that you know.
Don't
when we
forget
put
to
another
share this
you
video
know
with
about
everyone
it.
you think who will like
It'll help
it.
our channel out greatly.
Bye-bye.
And we love you. If you're actually watching these videos, we love you. We thank you. And God bless you. Oh, and here's Noah, too.
And leave a comment below of how your experience with SNAN goes. I literally just said that in the last video. But maybe I didn't mention it, but I thought to it. Can I have some space to
Don't
end the
forget to
video?
subscribe.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So bye, Noah. Bye. Thumbs up. That's a thumbs up there. Noah. That's Noah. Noah. Thumbs up, man. Yeah.
Aww.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Night-night, guys. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
God bless.